Hi, hello and welcome to NutriTrack. Today's video is on the methi or the fenugreek leaves along with millets. Methi leaves are rich in calcium, which is about 18% of RDA, which means it's a recommended dietary allowance of a nutrient per person per day. It is also good for the pregnant and the lactating mothers as it is rich in folate and iron. Even the dried leaves or the kasuri methi is rich in micronutrients and low in carbohydrates and calories. As I've already briefed about pearl millet or the bajra in one of my previous videos, link in description box. Now let's see about ragi. It's 3 times more calcium than the milk and it is also good for the skin and repairs the skin tissues, and it is good for the depression and anxiety, and some of the research studies say that it is beneficial for the migraine issues. Now let's check out this mixed millet methi roti, which is 100% gluten free. I've made use of my kitchen plants in making these rotis. Hope you like this simple and easy recipe, which is rich in iron, calcium and fiber. It can be had for a power packed breakfast or any part of the day. It keeps you full for a longer time and it is also quick and simple to prepare. You can prepare this even with either one millet and the methi leaves. Traditionally, curd is added in this recipe to obtain softness. I have not used curd as it may stop the absorption of the iron that we get from the millets. Hope you like this simple millet recipe video. Thank you for watching and keep supporting NutriTrack, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and give it a like button. Please do subscribe to NutriTrack for more nutritious recipes and information, and share it with your loved ones who will benefit from it. Eat healthy and stay healthy with NutriTrack.